will have some reasons why we should be joining IIM Sirmaur's integrated program in management, which is offered by. तो हम इतने वहां पे कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं because IIM Indore definitely is in top 6 colleges. The other things which are listed on the official website of IIM Sirmaur, अब इसका डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं. Hand-on software training and industry exposure will also be provided during your 4-year program at IIM Sirmaur. Hello friends, a big welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of IPMAT Wala. Now friends, IIM Sirmaur. IIM Sirmaur is another big name in the list of all the colleges which are providing I would say management program at the graduation level. Now in this session we are going to talk about BMS program, Bachelors of Management Studies program, which is a 4-year program offered by IIM Sirmaur. अब इस सेशन में हम क्या क्या बात करने वाले हैं आज. सबसे पहले IIM Sirmaur क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. Now obviously IIM Sirmaur की जो रेपुटेशन है वो इतनी ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं है, बट विल हैव सम रीजंस व्हाई वी शुड बी जॉइनिंग IIM Sirmaur's BMS program, right? Now next thing we'll be talking about the details of the program, as in the fee structure, the entire 4-year fee structure, and how we can get into IIM Sirmaur. क्या इनका एक सेपरेट एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होता है या फिर ये किसी और कॉलेज का एंट्रेंस टेस्ट यूज करते हैं. Then what will be the entire process after the written test? What will be the criteria that they'll be considering in the second stage of selection procedure? आज हम ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे in this session. So hardly 5-6 minutes लगेंगे. So be there and watch this session till the end. Okay. Now starting from why we should be joining the BMS program of IIM Sirmaur. Okay. Now definitely अगर मैं इसको IPM integrated program in management, which is offered by Indore, IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, IIM Jammu and other colleges, अगर मैं वहां से compare करूं, so definitely I can say that the weightage of those programs, IPM integrated program in management offered by IIM Indore as well as Rohtak, इनफैक्ट जम्मू को भी कंसिडर कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, तो उनका जो वेट है वो डेफिनेटली इससे हाई होगा. दिस इज अ बीएमएस प्रोग्राम, बट बीएमएस प्रोग्राम में एक ये फायदा हो जाता है that we know that after BMS we'll have to go for an MBA and we can appear for CAT examination. ऐसा नहीं है कि IIM इंदौर में एडमिशन लेने के बाद हम CAT अपीयर नहीं कर सकते, बट हमें ड्रॉप लेना पड़ता है. एंड वंस वी आर इनटू IIM इंदौर तो हम इतने वहां पे कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज IIM इंदौर डेफिनेटली इज इन टॉप 6 कॉलेजेस, टॉप 6 IIMs ऑफ द कंट्री. तो वहां पे जाके हम बहुत ज्यादा कंप्लेसेंट हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा रिलैक्स्ड हो जाते हैं. एंड फिर काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को मैंने देखा है वो कैट का एग्जाम नहीं देते, राइट? सो दे डोंट हैव और दे डू हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी, बट दे मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ इंप्रूविंग the college at the post graduation level. So इंदौर से निकल के अगर हम अहमदाबाद, बेंगलोर, कैलकाटा इन कॉलेजेस में चले जाएं या फिर FMS में चले जाएं तो डेफिनेटली these 4 names are better than IIM इंदौर. ओके, तो यहां पे आपके पास एक मोटिवेशन रहेगा IIM सिरमौर में BMS प्रोग्राम में कि आप लोग कैट का एग्जाम डेफिनेटली दोगे and you will have a chance of getting even a better college than IIM Indore for your post graduation. ठीक है? The other things which are listed on the official website of IIM Sirmaur, अब इसका डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं. So it says the program is compliant with the vision and regulation of NEP 2020. So NEP 2020 के according program designed है, right? This is a 4-year program. Okay. The program shall bring fresh perspective from the undergraduate student and foster a stronger culture at IIM Sirmaur. ये सारी चीजें ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, तो ये मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूं. Whatever things will be telling you on this channel are from the authentic sources, and this one in this case is again from the official website of IIM Sirmaur. Multiple exit options will allow greater flexibility for prospective students to pursue their aspirations in line with the provision of NEP 2020. So yes, we do have exit options. So we can exit. So you can go for a complete detail about the exit options that will be provided to you, and they will be for your better future. Okay, next is global perspective through the international exchange programs. So they do have wonderful international exchange programs wherein student will be studying, will be spending some time of from this 4 year. So some time will be spent in the foreign colleges. So जो भी global programs हैं, आपको वहां पे study करने की opportunity definitely मिलेगी. Next is innovative pedagogy including numerous projects. Hand-on software training and industry exposure will also be provided during your 4-year program at IIM Sirmaur. Next is courses delivered by some of the best faculty in the country along with experienced industry practitioners. Okay, so हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपोजर तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, बट यहां से जो इंडस्ट्री से बेस्ट ऑफ द फैकल्टी मेंबर्स दे विल बी विजिटिंग द कॉलेज, दे विल बी विजिटिंग द कैंपस to help you out with your studies. Okay, so these are some of I would say USPs of the BMS program at IIM Sirmaur. Done. Now next is the fee structure. So the entire program is divided in 8 different semesters. This is a 4-year program. Okay, so this fee structure that is again given on their official website. It includes the admission fee of 40,000. Then the tuition fee for each and every semester that stands at 2,50,000. The hostel charges for each and every semester. Here semester 6 is missing. So you understand the foreign collaborations and all, the student exchange program. So ये वहां पे चला जाएगा. So hostel charges, alumni membership fee and student welfare fee, which is very nominal. So we can say that the program for the entire course duration of 4 years stands at 22,73,000. Okay, so this is the complete fee for the entire 4-year program. Now moving on to the admission process, which is the most important thing. So the entire admission process happens in 2 phases. Now phase 1 will have an aptitude test score. So shortlisting for the second stage, which is the interview, right, will be done on the basis of your aptitude test score, which they call is at ATS. So based on the ATS score of IPMAT, अब IPMAT कौन सा वाला ये कंसिडर करेंगे? So IPMAT obviously इंदौर. So अभी next page पे आएगा. So based on your aptitude test score obtained in IPMAT exam, candidates will be shortlisted for the interview, right? So second stage पे interview होने वाला है. So phase 2 के लिए यहां से shortlisting हो जाएगी. Now what is phase 2 and what all things will be considered at this level? So अब ये पूरा का पूरा एक टेबल दिया हुआ है, मैं इसका एक एक कंपोनेंट आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं यहां पे, ठीक है? So let's talk about each and every component that is given here. So we have phase 2, which is the final selection procedure. The composite score of the shortlisted candidates will be calculated as follows. So ultimate aim is to calculate the composite score to increase your composite score. अब composite score किस किस चीज पे डिपेंड करता है? The first thing is your IPMAT इंदौर का जो रिटन टेस्ट का स्कोर है उस पे डिपेंड करता है, ठीक है? So the weightage of IPMAT इंदौर is 50%, right? Now यहां पे out of this 50%, 25% weightage is given to quantitative aptitude. Second, 25% weightage is given to the subjective paper. So MCQ and SA, दो sections हैं quant के, 25 weightage is given to those. All right. Then 50% weightage is given to the verbal ability section, right? So equal weightage quant को 50% and verbal को 50%. So ये 50% का 25 and 50% है. So this is how this 50% is distributed. Now next, 20% weightage is given to the interview round. So online interview process होने वाला है and out of 100%, 20% weightage will be given to the interview. Now the next thing is academic performance, 25% weightage is given. अब academic performance में क्या क्या include होने वाला है? 10th board exams and 12th board exams, right? ठीक है? So if you have less than 60% in 10th or 12th, you will not be eligible, right? So you got to have more than 60%, right? अब weightage ये जो 25% है ये कैसे कैसे divided है? In 10th board, if you have less than 80%, you will get 0. 60% से कम है तो आप एलिजिबल ही नहीं हो, 80% से कम है तो यू विल गेट अ 0, 80 to 90 है यू विल गेट अ 5, 90 to 95 है यू विल गेट 8 एंड 95% और अबव है तो आपको 10 मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे 10th के बेसिस पे, राइट? नाउ 12th बोर्ड, लेस देन 60% नॉट एलिजिबल, लेस देन 80% 0 स्कोर, 80 to 90 8 का स्कोर मिल जाएगा, 90 to 95 10 का स्कोर मिल जाएगा एंड मोर देन 95 और इक्वल टू 95 यू विल गेट 15 एज अ स्कोर। तो अगर किसी भी स्टूडेंट का ग्रेटर देन 95% है इन बोथ 10th एंड 12th, so 10 plus 15 they will get total 25 in this case. All right, now the last 5% is given to gender diversity, and you understand males are not going to get anything from here, females or transgenders will be getting an entire of 5. So this is how this 100 composite score is distributed among IPMAT score, interview, that is going to be an online interview, the academic performance, 10th and 12th board examinations, and the gender diversity, right? So friends, this is the complete information about IIM Sirmaur's BMS program. So go ahead and apply for this. All the best.